A look at the upcoming iPad Pro based on 9 to 5 Mac's exclusive report. This fall, what is arguably the biggest revision to the iPad ever will touch down. That is, of course, the iPad Pro with its brand new A12X processor in tow. Of course, this is a beefier version of the current A12 processor found in the iPhone XS and XS Max. And like previous X versions of the A series chips, you can expect enhanced graphics performance over the baseline version. But the biggest change has nothing to do with the internal hardware that you can't see. No, the biggest change is the removal of the home button, along with significantly reduced bezels for that edge-to-edge iPhone X inspired design. But it only inspires it so much because there is no notch on the new iPad Pro, meaning the bezel's large enough to accommodate the true depth camera and all of its necessary components without using a notch. Now, speaking of the true depth camera, of course, Face ID is in tow. You will be able to use Face ID in both portrait mode and also, yes, in landscape mode. Now, you will need to set up Face ID using portrait mode, and you won't be able to use it upside down, but it will work with portrait mode, which is great news. Now, according to our report, there will also be a USB-C port for connecting to external 4K HDR displays, and you should expect to see preferences to appear in the settings app relating to these externally connected displays. So maybe something like this in the display and brightness settings, being able to configure resolution, HDR, brightness of that external display, etc. And what about the Apple Pencil? Well, yes, you should expect some changes there as well. Maybe they'll call it Apple Pencil 2, but expect a refreshed Apple Pencil that connects via proximity instead of needing to connect the Lightning connector in order to pair with your iPad Pro. So that is new. And then lastly, users should expect a new magnetic connector on the rear of the iPad Pro, similar to the smart connector on previous iPad Pros, allowing users to connect to different accessories, perhaps a new version of the smart keyboard. So we should expect this new iPad Pro to land sometime in fall of 2018. Like previous iPad Pros, it will come in 2 sizes and feature Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi plus cellular editions. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section, and thumbs up if you like how this new iPad Pro is shaping up. This is Jeff with 9 to 5 Mac.